So now we are starting at page 44. Duncan had visited Macbeth's castle in Inverness, and he was greeted by Lady Macbeth, the wife of Macbeth. Lady Macbeth was an extremely ambitious woman, and she enticed Macbeth, to kill Duncan so that he might become the king of Scotland. And Lady Duncan had mastered the art of hiding her feelings with the help of charming behavior. তিনি মধুর আচরণে নিজের মনের খারাপ দিকগুলো চেপে রাখতে পারতেন. So Duncan was very much pleased to be greeted by Lady Duncan. But actually Lady Duncan was plotting the murder of Duncan. I am starting from there. Lady Macbeth took upon herself the responsibility of killing Duncan. Duncan ke marar daitto Lady Macbeth niye niyechilen. Why? She had not given this responsibility to her husband, because she knew that Macbeth had a kindness of disposition. তার স্বভাবটা নরম. She was so kind that she could not murder a person, particularly a sleeping person. That's why Lady Macbeth had taken upon herself the responsibility of killing Duncan. She had won his consent about the murder. Lady Macbeth had spoken to Macbeth, and Macbeth had given his consent. To give one's consent means to agree to, Raji Hawa. Macbeth had agreed to the proposal of killing Duncan, but he would not do it with his own hand. But she doubted his resolution. Resolution means determination, Dhrudha Pratigya. Lady Macbeth doubted Macbeth's determination. That means she had no faith in the determination of Macbeth. Macbeth's Dhrudha Pratigya tar astha nei, and she feared the natural tenderness of his disposition. Disposition means nature, tenderness means kindness. As I have already said, Macbeth had a kind nature, and this kindness of his nature could defeat the purpose. To defeat the purpose, that means prevent him from carrying out his duty. তাকে তার কর্তব্যে বাধা দেবে. That means Macbeth was so kind that he would not be able to murder the sleeping king. So Lady Macbeth herself wanted to kill Duncan. Armed with a dagger, she approached the king's chamber. With a dagger in her hand, a big knife. With a big knife in her hand, Lady Macbeth went towards Duncan's chamber. She wanted to kill Duncan. There, she found Duncan in sound sleep. Lady Macbeth found that Duncan was lost in slumber, deep slumber. And as she viewed him earnestly, to view means to look at, earnestly means sincerely. As she looked at Duncan sincerely, there was something in his face which resembled her own father. When Lady Macbeth looked at the face of the sleeping king, suddenly she found that the face of the sleeping king was exactly like the face of her own father. তার নিজের পিতারই মতো মুখ ডানকানের. Thus she had not the resolution to proceed further, and Lady Macbeth could not kill Duncan. Question হতে পারে, why could Lady Macbeth not kill Duncan? When Lady Macbeth entered Duncan's chamber to kill him, she looked at his face earnestly and found that Duncan's face had a striking similarity with the face of her own father. So she could not kill Duncan. She returned to confer with her husband. Lady Macbeth went back from Duncan's chamber. She wanted to confer. To confer means to discuss. She wanted to discuss these things with Macbeth. He thought that there were strong reasons against the murder. Now, when Macbeth was alone, Macbeth had been thinking over the whole thing. তিনি গোটা বিষয়টা নিয়ে চিন্তা করছেন। And as Lady Macbeth was not there, her influence was also not there. But Duncan was thinking whether it would be proper to kill Duncan. The question, there may be a 100-word question. What were Macbeth's reasons for not killing Duncan? Duncan ke হত্যা না করার পক্ষে Macbeth কি যুক্তি দিচ্ছিলেন? What was Macbeth thinking about? This was the first reason. Macbeth was not only a subject but also a close relative to Duncan. As I have already said, Macbeth was a close relative of King Duncan. So should a relative kill another relative? This was the thought of Macbeth. Besides, he had been a host to the king. Who is a host? A host is a person who looks after the guest. Here the host is Macbeth and Duncan is his guest. So his duty would be to protect the king from the threat of the murders. What is the duty of a host? The duty of a host is to protect his guest, not to bear the dagger himself. To bear means to carry. To carry the dagger, that means to kill someone. The duty of a host is to protect his guest, not to kill him. Duncan was his guest, and it was the duty of the host to protect his guest. There is a Sanskrit saying, Othithi Devo Bhava. That means the guest is like God. So this thought came to Macbeth's mind that it was not proper, it was completely unethical, চূড়ান্ত অনৈতিক হবে for a host to kill his guest. He also thought how just and benevolent a king was Duncan. The third reason that came to Macbeth's mind for not killing Duncan was this. Duncan was a just king. What is meant by the term just? Just means one who delivers justice. যিনি ন্যায় বিচার করেন। He was a just king. He was a benevolent king. Benevolent means kind. Duncan was not a cruel king who tortured his subjects. তিনি অত্যাচারী রাজা নন। Duncan was a very just and kind king. How clear of offense to his subjects. Clear of offense. Offense means guilt, অপরাধ. He committed no guilt against his subjects. তিনি প্রজাদের উপর কোনো অন্যায় করেন না। Duncan never tortured, exploited his subjects. How loving to his nobility. Nobility means people of high birth, অভিজাত, উচ্চ বংশজাত, the aristocrats. For example, Macbeth himself. The King Duncan was not only kind and generous to the ordinary subjects, he was also very much kind and benevolent to the thanes, to the generals. For example, Macbeth himself is an example of the king's generosity. Macbeth was the Thane of Glamis. In addition to it, the king has made him the Thane of Cawdor. তাকে Thane of Cawdor করে দিয়েছেন. How loving to his nobility that their subjects were doubly bound to avenge his death. Avenge means to take revenge on the part of others. অন্যের হয়ে প্রতিশোধ নেওয়া তাকে বলা হয় to avenge. The subjects were doubly bound to avenge the death of such a king. It is the duty of a subject to take revenge for the death of his king. প্রজার কর্তব্য রাজার হত্যার প্রতিশোধ নেওয়া. In case of Duncan, there was a double bond. Duncan was not only a king, Duncan was a just and benevolent king. So, naturally, the subjects had a double duty. It was their duty to take revenge. Moreover, by the favors of the king, Macbeth stood high in the opinion of all sorts of men. Now Macbeth stood high in the opinion. That means everyone respected Macbeth. Macbethকে সকলে শ্রদ্ধা করে. Why does everyone respect Macbeth? Everyone respects Macbeth because the king favors him. He is a favorite of the king. Macbeth is a favorite of the king, and that is why all the people of Scotland honor Macbeth, respect him. And how could those honors be stained? The honors would be stained. Stain means a black spot, কলঙ্ক. Macbeth's honor would be stained. তিনি কলঙ্কিত হবেন. That means his image would be tarnished. তার ভাবমূর্তি কলঙ্কিত হবে by the reputation of so foul a murder. Foul means despicable, joghunya. It would be a despicable murder to kill the sleeping king. If the sleeping king is murdered, Macbeth would no longer be respected by his subjects. He would be hated by everyone. সবাই তাকে ঘৃণা করবে, and his image would be tarnished. আর ভাবমূর্তি কলঙ্কিত হবে. So this 100-word question will be like this: what was Macbeth thinking against the killing of Duncan? What were the reasons forwarded by Macbeth not to kill Duncan? Duncanকে হত্যা করার বিপক্ষে তিনি কি কি যুক্তি দিচ্ছিলেন? These were the reasons. So we will discuss up to this point, read up to this point. I will send you questions and word notes. Prepare them. Thank you.